You don't need to make six figures to build wealth, but you do need a game plan. If you're earning under $50,000 a year, this video could change your financial future. A lot of people get discouraged, thinking they can't save, invest, or retire early unless they have a high-paying job. But I'm here to show you that wealth is built through smart habits, not just big income. So if you're earning 40K, 35K, or even less, this is your blueprint. Stick around, because the next 5 minutes could completely reframe how you think about money. The first shift you need to make is this. Wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about what you keep. Let's meet Jordan. Jordan earns $42,000 a year. Not a ton, right? But he saves 30% of it, lives simply, and invests consistently. Compare that to someone making $120K, but spending it all. Guess who's building real wealth? Jordan wins every time. Why? Because your savings rate matters more than your salary. If you can save 20-30% of your income, no matter the amount, you're already ahead of most Americans. This one mental shift helped me save 3x more without getting a raise. If you're serious about wealth, the next step is budgeting, but not in a boring spreadsheet way. You need to track every dollar like your future depends on it, because it does. Use the 80-20 principle. 80% of your unnecessary spending probably comes from 20% of your habits. Cut ruthlessly. Unused subscriptions. Daily takeout. Online impulse buys, redirect that money into savings and investments. Start with tools like Mint, YNAB, or just Google Sheets. Even freeing up $150 a month can completely change your path. Most people waste more money than they realize. This step alone can free up thousands per year. Here's the truth. You can't save your way to wealth. You have to invest. Even if it's just $50 a month, that's enough to start. Choose something simple like a total stock market index fund, or the S&P 500, like VTI or FXAIX. With consistent investing, you don't need to time the market. You just need time in the market. Compound interest is the ultimate wealth hack. And the earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Jordan started with just $40 a month. 3 years later, he's investing $500 a month, thanks to automation and habit stacking. This strategy helped someone on a $45K salary reach $100K net worth. When you're on a low income, surprise expenses can wipe you out. That's why your next step is an emergency fund, even just $500 to start. Eventually, aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. But don't stop there. Automate everything. Transfers to savings. Auto investments. Auto bill pay. Why? Because automation removes decision fatigue. You won't forget to save. It just happens. This system works in the background, even when you're tired, stressed, or distracted. This automation system is like having a personal money assistant, for free. Now let's talk about the ultimate wealth builder, income growth through skill building. If you're stuck at 38K or 45Ks a year, make a plan to change that. You don't need college, you need high-demand skills, copywriting, digital marketing Excel, and data coding, or web design freelancing. Learn for free on YouTube, Udemy, or Coursera. Start a side hustle, freelance, or aim for a promotion. Jordan picked up Excel, started consulting on Fiverr, and landed a higher-paying job within a year. Income is your rocket fuel, but saving and investing is your steering wheel. Let's recap. Shift your mindset. Behavior over income. Track every dollar and budget like a boss. Invest, even if it's just $50 a month. Build an emergency cushion. Learn new skills and grow your income. This is the roadmap. Low income doesn't mean low potential. And remember, you're not behind. You're just getting started. Check out the free wealth tracker below, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a step on your journey to financial freedom.